Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and log in into WEBTOON on your mobile device. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's just get straight into the video. So first things first, you can do this both on iOS and Android devices. So buckle up and follow the steps. Now go ahead and open your App Store on your iOS device or Play Store on your Android device and simply go ahead and search for WEBTOON right over here. Once you've done that, simply go ahead and click on this application. Click on the download icon that's going to be there instead of this open button right over here for me, and simply go ahead and tap on open once you've downloaded and installed it. Once you've done that, all you need to do is right in this page, you can simply go ahead and log in with a bunch of different options. As you can see, continue with email, continue with Google, continue with Apple, continue with Facebook. If you tap on see other options, there are continue with Line, continue with X as well. So simply go ahead and tap on continue with email or whatever you want to do it with. And now simply go ahead and enter your email and go ahead and enter your password down here, and you will be logged in into your account. So I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll